Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? H plus I, high. Tie plus D, tie. High tie. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. We have a newcomer, but first, let me introduce our returning champion. This lady was dynamite on our last program, picking up over $10,600 in prizes. Let's welcome back Patricia Lugers, pilot, on a sabbatical right now because she's expecting a baby in how many weeks?
6 weeks.
6 weeks to go before she has her little one.
That's right.
You ready to play?
I'm ready to play.
Okay, meet your opponent. His name is Donald Alford. Welcome, Donald. Thank you very much. Where are you from?
I'm from Brawley, California.
Brawley. That's sort of, let's see, that's out near, gosh, heading past Palm Springs?
Correct.
Southeast
Down
part of
close
the
to
state?
Arizona-Mexico border.
Yeah, all right. Cowboy, huh?
It's tough following Dominic, though.
Well, it is tough following Dominic because he had 4 lives on this program. He kept coming back, but he did well.
Yep.
Picked up about 15 grand in prizes, and it could happen to you, too. In fact, you could wind up enjoying this.
Take a second honeymoon or make it your first. Either way, you're bound to have fun on the spectacular Isle of St. Martin. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, a while in flight experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mullet Bay Resort. Features golf, tennis, water sports, plus a half mile of powder white beaches. A tropical paradise in the Caribbean on St. Martin. Furnished by the Mullet Bay Resort. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Patricia and Donald, take a look here. St. Martin holiday at number 1. And Donald, you get to pick first. You're the newcomer.
Okay, let's start out in the middle with number 13.
13's a good place to start. Red tape there.
And 24.
Pearl necklace. No match. Patricia.
Let's see if we can find a wild card under number 3.
Dining room.
Ooh, dining room. On number 5.
No, a pearl necklace. Donald?
Okay, let's try and get a pearl necklace behind number 5. And 24.
Right. Now, you're picking up exactly where Dominic left off because, as you know, in all of his games, he kept finding the jewelry.
It's his chair. It's a jewelry chair.
It's the jewelry chair.
Okay.
Yes. Open these 2 panels for Don.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm going to get ahead of myself like the last guy.
That's all right. You can pick 2 numbers because it was highly unlikely that you were going to solve it with that little bit showing.
Okay, let's try number 12.
Cookware.
And number 11.
Wild card, so we've got some cookware coming your way, Donald. The other cookware on the board, same line, middle line, 3 panels opening up there.
Little too early.
Go again.
Okay, let's try number 2.
St. Martin holiday.
And number 1 for the trip to St.
2
Martin.
and 1, yes. All righty.
To the beach.
To the beach. Open it up.
To the beach. Interesting start.
Yes, it is.
Let's try number 8.
What's going on behind 6 and 7 is what we want to know. Trash compactor at 8.
And number 20.
His and her 10-speed bikes. It had to end. And Patricia, here's your chance.
Okay, let's try number 15.
Hardwood flooring.
I haven't seen that. Number 21.
Dining room, no match. Donald.
I think that dining room is behind number 3.
Correct.
And 21.
3 and 21 is right. All the prizes are in your column. You're off to a very good start.
Now let's see if we can finish it up by solving it, though.
Yeah, that's the next step. Open these 2 panels.
Still a lot hidden.
Yeah,
Still
and the important stuff seems to be hidden between, behind the 2nd line and the 4th line.
Yeah,
but you go anywhere you want.
Let's try and open up that 2nd line then at 17.
Ceiling fan.
And let's go right next door at 16.
Red tape. Patricia.
Okay, let's try number 13.
Red tape.
And number 16, please.
Red tape. Donald's looking over his shoulder already.
have to wait.
Yeah?
I'm going to have to wait.
All right. That makes Donald feel good.
Yeah.
Doesn't bother him one bit that you're waiting. 2 panels. Open them up for Patricia. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 10. Green.
Green take.
Haven't seen that. Let's try number 22.
Green take.
Well, let's...
You really don't want to travel with that baby, do you?
Let's try an island trip. I would love to have
Yes.
We're going together, aren't we?
No way, Donald. Her husband might get upset over that.
He's got to take care of the baby.
Yes, you're right. Let's open these 2 panels. You'll help Patricia recover.
Yep.
Pick again.
Okay, number 19.
Trash compactor.
Oh, number 8.
Yes. Now you've got the other take.
I think I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait on that one.
All right. Open it up for her. She's waiting.
Okay.
Try again.
Number 23.
Wild card.
Oh. And let's try number 20.
Isn't her 10-speed bikes? The other bikes? Number 18.
Okay.
Give me a chance.
Let's try the pearl necklace, please.
Pearl necklace. Put it over. And open these 3 panels. Patricia, there is still a wild card somewhere on this board. There are just 7 squares that remain to be opened.
Let's try number 6.
Hardwood flooring.
Number 15, please.
Yep. Donald says yep, and he's right, and you're right, and it's a match for you. Another look at the puzzle. Open it up. Go again.
Number 25.
Chocolate
Oh, my
lover's
Lord,
dream.
haven't seen that.
Give me a break.
Number 4. Oh!
Donald has just gotten the break of the day.
Let's try number 9.
Wild card.
Let's go for them great chocolates at 25.
Chocolates at 25. The other chocolates are at 7. 3 panels will open up, and then we will give you the ceiling fan that's hiding behind 4 and 17. And when we open these doors, Donald, I want you to solve the puzzle.
Is it running true to form?
Is it running true to form? No, it is not. Patricia.
Is it run true to form?
What goes around comes around, I guess. Run true to form. She had it, lost it on a last-minute mistake, and Donald lost it because he lost concentration, I guess.
Well, let's see. We have a run in the hose here. So it's run, the true on the test, plus, or not plus 2. We have a 4 plus M. Run true to form.
True to form, right. And as a champion, you were running true to form. And Donald, you've got just 1 strike. You learned a valuable lesson, though, and put that lesson, that experience to good use in game number 2. We'll see you in that one. All righty, young lady. Another big payoff for you. Boy, you're cleaning up on this program. Gene, tell her.
His and her 10-speed bikes and hardwood flooring. The new generation of Bruce hardwood floors, more beautiful and durable than ever, and they practically take care of themselves. Furnished by Bruce. And a trash compactor. Whirlpool's Trash Masher Compactor with automatic deodorizing system and touch-toe drawer opener. Furnished by Whirlpool. And a pearl necklace. A matinee length cultured pearl necklace, 6 to 6.5 millimeter. Beautifully adorned with a 14-karat gold clasp from the fine jewelry collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. And, of course, the beautiful St. Martin Escape. And, Patricia, you have prizes totaling $5,944.
Here's the deal so far. 3 games, over $16,000. And a chance to win a car, too, after this. Go. Patricia's already taken her deep breath, so she's ready. 15 numbered squares. Clock is up to 50 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
10, 3,
Yes.
12, 1,
Yes.
13, 15,
No.
2, 13,
Yes.
5, 7,
Yes.
8, 15,
Yes.
11, 14,
Nope.
6, 11,
Right.
9, 4,
Nope.
4, 14.
You have won a brand new car. Tell her, Gene. Big day.
Patricia, you've just won this Hyundai Scoop 2-door coupe. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and an AM/FM stereo cassette. Furnished by Hyundai, a prize worth over $9,500.
So, Patricia, I'm glad your mom's here to enjoy this moment with you because you're going away with $26,120. And good luck with the little one in 6 weeks from now. Congratulations to you. Great time for us and a new player coming on board right after this.
Great day. You're watching Buzzr's National Game Show month celebration.
Donald is happy to see Patricia go because she was an excellent player. And she won over $26,000 as a demonstration of her prowess. And now we are delighted to welcome this young lady. Her name is Anna Kohut.
Kohut, yes.
Kohut, welcome aboard. And where are you from, young lady?
I'm a student at UCLA, and I'm originally from Redwood City, California.
Oh, where is that? Anywhere near Brawley?
Northern California.
Northern California. So we've got a battle of the north and the south.
The desert.
All righty, take a look over here, two of you. I'll show you one of the prizes.
This 32-volume new edition of the Encyclopedia Britannica in handsome black bindings makes looking up facts or probing subjects in depth a pleasure for the whole family. Furnished by Encyclopedia Britannica.
And
Alex.
Donald and Anna, take a look on the board, and here's where you'll find the encyclopedia at number 25. This is the second game, and that means the bonus seconds are in here. It also means the cash pot is in here, and there's $500 in it right now. And we have a vacation in Washington, D.C. Anna, and you pick first.
Okay, let's start dead center in number 13.
Red tape.
Red tape. That'll come in handy. Number 5.
Diamond and amethyst earrings, no match. Donald?
Okay, let's try to do better than we did last time at number 1.
Green tape.
And let's go at number 12.
Color TV, no match.
Okay, let's try number 3.
5 bonus
That
seconds.
sure come in handy. 17.
No cash pot. Donald?
Okay, let's try number 18.
Green
And
tape.
that was number 1.
Yes. Early insurance for Donald Alford. Open it up.
Okay, a little too early still, I think.
Go again.
Let's try number 7.
Lucky 7 has a bedroom set there.
Let's try and find a wild card behind number 17.
No, that's the
she's
cash
looking
pot.
at that.
Anna?
Okay, let's try number 9.
Bedroom set.
And I think that was number 7.
Yes.
Woo! Yes!
2 doors opening up for our newcomer.
Not yet.
Go again.
Okay, let's try number 16.
Wild card.
Okay, let's do the cash pot, number 17.
Let's do the cash pot. All right. Let's do lunch and the cash pot. The other cash pot at number 2. Open it up. Keep going.
Okay, let's try number 20.
Washington, D.C. holiday.
Okay, what haven't we seen? Let's try number 24.
Yes.
She's not easier than Patricia.
No, she's not. You are absolutely right, Donald. Open these 2 panels for Anna.
No.
Go Again?
Okay, let's try number 10.
Deluxe carpet cleaner.
I could use that. Number 11.
Encyclopedia. No match for you. Donald.
Let's try the encyclopedia set behind number 25
Right.
and number 11.
Number 11 is a match. Now, you have the tape from your very first match. And she's got cash. She's got the Washington, D.C. holiday.
Let's go to D.C.
All right, D.C. Going to
I'll get it back.
D.C.,
I'll get it
says
back.
Donald, if he can solve the puzzle. Can he do it? Go again.
Okay, let's try 22 and number 12.
22 and 12, make a match. And we'll reveal a little bit more of this puzzle for you.
Not yet. I got to see that right side of the board.
Yeah, that seems to be the most important part.
Let's try number 15.
Deluxe carpet cleaner.
Ah, she just picked that. Number 8.
Red tape. Anna.
Let's try number 13. And
Red
number
tape.
8.
Yep.
Oh, you know,
Wait a minute. You're gonna do that routine. Well, you know, he did this to me, and I can do
I
this.
really like to go to Washington, D.C. I think I'll take it back.
Oh, it's all you.
Did you, Donald? Did you by any chance detect the degree of venom in that thing?
So far, I've lost St. Martin and D.C., so we're...
Yeah. Boy, the women are really nailing you today.
They're tough.
Open these two doors for Anna.
Being a beast.
You started to offer a solution, but I didn't hear it.
Being a beast.
Being a beast. No. Select again.
Okay, let's try number 19.
Wild card.
Let's see what
Nice,
I
she
want.
says. Yes, it is nice.
What I want. Let's open up at number 10.
Number 10, deluxe carpet cleaner. We've seen that before, haven't we? Let's show the other one right below it at 15. And open 3 doors for Anna. Select again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Remember, you're free to ring in whenever the first square is revealed. We're beginning with number 3. And Donald is in there.
Is it flying high?
Is it flying high? Yes, it is. And Donald has redeemed himself. He's picked up a couple of prizes, and he'll go to play for the car. Come on, Donald. You get to explain it now.
Okay, we got the fly here, the ink down below for flying, the H, plus this had me absolutely clueless for eyes. Flying high.
Yeah, it seems as if our scenic guys went a long way just to come up with an eye. They put it on an elephant.
That's a lot of work for an eye.
A lot of work for an eye, but that's okay. Anna, just, oh, poor little Anna. Only 1 strike against you.
Just one.
Just 1. Yes, you'll play again. We'll see you in that game. So long,
Okay.
Anna. Donald, a couple of prizes coming your way. Let's hear about them now. Gene.
A color TV. Magnavox 20-inch stereo color TV is smart, very smart. It includes a universal remote that controls virtually any brand of wireless VCR and cable, furnished by Magnavox. And, of course, the handsome encyclopedia set, a prize package totaling $2,348.
And you're just starting out here. You may win a brand new car when we come back. We'll see. As we went into that commercial break, Donald made a comment to our producer, and I didn't catch it, but I caught a little bit, and it seemed to indicate that you felt so much relief at finally winning a game. You've only been in 2 games.
As long as you don't get blanked. I just didn't want to get blanked, and then you take the abuse that goes along with it. God, I can die a happy man. I didn't get snuffed.
All right. You didn't get snuffed, you won a couple of prizes, and now you get a chance to win a brand new car.
Let's do it.
All right, here are the 15 numbered squares. You're dealing with base time on the clock, but we've had players win it in 29, 26 seconds this year.
Let's see if we can do it.
All right, good luck. Go to work.
Okay, 1, 3,
No,
13, 15,
no,
4, 5,
Nope.
6, 7,
nope,
8, 9,
Nope.
13, 9,
right,
10, 6,
nope, yeah,
11, 1,
yep,
12, 5,
yep,
14, 3,
Nope.
2, 8,
no.
7, 2. Yes,
7-2 would have made it, but you're still 2 cards short.
A little short. Not a bad first round.
Not a bad first time. You're right. And you're going to play again when we come back. You've got $2,348 in prizes. And we're going to take a break after this message from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive this 3-speed Sanyo air cleaner ionizer with adjustable louvers. Features a washable fabric filter, activated carbon filter, and negative ion generator for a more refreshing environment, furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Well, as Donald mentioned a few moments ago, he didn't get snubbed. And he's going to return to play again tomorrow. And we hope you can join us for that, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good day, won't you? So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.